Now your Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Watches and warnings are extending from coast to coast across the United States as a winter storm is wreaking havoc on many states across southern portions of the United States. Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana are in portions of that winter storm warning. Yesterday afternoon, the entire state of Texas was in a winter storm warning, which is a first time in a decade that some of these western counties have seen a winter storm warning. Not to mention just the snow, but the wind chill warning has extended from Canada all the way down to New Mexico. And we're looking at those wind chills that Texas is not used to seeing. And with the heavy snow comes freezing rain, a lot of ice accumulation with this system as well. And because of that polar vortex pushing all of that cold air down, it's moved the jet stream so much further south, which is where that storm track kind of follows around. So that's why for us here in the Midwest, we've been very dry, but very cold. The wind chill warning still extends for us here across the region until 10 o'clock this morning. Once that expires, we're going to be left with a wind chill advisory because those wind chills will still be a factor, but the cold weather has definitely helped Lake Superior in terms of ice coverage. In just a week's time, you can see the increase in terms of ice cover. Looking at 7.8% on the 7th of February, and then a 1 week later time span, we've increased over 20%, and we're looking at 31% in terms of ice cover across Lake Superior. Just keep in mind, though, Lake Superior is never 100% safe as you head out for ice fishing. 23 below is our current air temp here in the Twin Ports, 37 below up in Hibbing, 31 below in Orr, and 36 in International Falls. Temperatures across Wisconsin and the UP, again, very cold in those upper 30s, some upper 20s and some even teens in the Ironwood, Gogebic County as they've got cloud cover in place due to a slight band of lake effect. There are still some open areas of water right around the South Shore, which is providing that small band for some lake effect snow. That won't last very long once that ice kind of continues to build, but temperatures today are still going to be rather chilly. Wind chills are going to be below zero. Even if your thermometer reads 2 above, it's not going to feel that great this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, though, is in the forecast both today and tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, though, temperatures finally reading above zero for almost everyone across the state of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the UP. Not warm, but it's a start in the right direction as we see that continued trend. Overnight lows still going to remain cold because we're going to see pockets of clear skies and calm winds, but by Wednesday afternoon, a short wave moves through, southerly winds kind of pick in, and we'll see a chance for some flurries and even some light snow in the afternoon hours under cloudy skies. Temperatures much more bearable in those double digits above zero for a change as we continue to progress through the week. So today is going to be a colder day still out there across the region. Temperatures are going to be sitting right around that 0 degree mark on both positive and negative readings, but we're going to see plenty of sunshine across the board. A few more cloud cover is still likely, though, for the Ironwood and Mercer area. And then tonight we're going to see mainly clear skies, calm winds out of the south, so that's going to make perfect conditions for another frigid cold night. Temperatures nearing 20 below up on the hill in the Twin Ports, nearing 30 below, though, for areas in northern Minnesota. But the 7-day forecast does have some hope. There is that light at the end of the tunnel, as we have been talking. 10 degrees by Tuesday, 12 on Wednesday, and mid-20s by the weekend.
Yes.
It's crazy how excited we are about
mid-20s.
I
love your excited, warmer with an exclamation point on Sunday. But that is, mid-20s is going to feel like mid-50s to us in comparison to what we've been experiencing for almost 2 full weeks now. That has been very tough for a lot of people. So looking forward to it.
End.
Yeah. Thanks, Caitlin.
Yeah.
Well, people in the Northland,